When it comes to home improvements, few upgrades deliver as much impact as new door installation. Doors play a critical role in a home's appearance, security, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Loves Park, upgrading doors is a smart investment that often leads to strong returns in both comfort and property value. Whether preparing for resale or improving daily living, new doors can make a noticeable difference. First impressions matter. A home's entry door is one of the first features people notice. An outdated or damaged door can detract from curb appeal, while a modern, well-designed door creates a strong and welcoming first impression. In Loves Park neighborhoods, homes with updated doors tend to stand out and appear well-maintained. Improved curb appeal not only enhances pride of ownership but also increases buyer interest, which can positively affect resale value. Increased energy efficiency and cost savings. Older doors often allow drafts and air leaks, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. New door installations are designed with energy efficiency in mind, featuring insulated cores and tight-fitting seals that prevent air loss. For Loves Park homeowners, this improved efficiency helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduce energy bills. Over time, these savings contribute to the overall return on investment. Enhanced security and peace of mind. Security is a top priority for homeowners, and modern doors offer advanced safety features that older models may lack. Reinforced frames, durable materials, and upgraded locking systems provide stronger protection against forced entry. In Loves Park, buyers often value homes with updated security features, making new door installation an appealing upgrade that adds both safety and marketability. Improved indoor comfort and noise reduction. New doors help block outdoor noise by sealing gaps and using sound-absorbing materials. This creates a quieter and more comfortable indoor environment. For Loves Park residents living near busy areas, improved noise reduction is a meaningful benefit that enhances everyday living while increasing the home's overall appeal. Durability and low-maintenance benefits. Modern doors are built to withstand daily use and changing weather conditions. Materials such as fiberglass, steel, and high-quality composites resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Loves Park homeowners appreciate doors that require minimal maintenance while maintaining their appearance and functionality for years. This long-term durability adds to the value of the investment. Strong return on investment. Door installation is consistently ranked among home improvements with high return potential. Updated doors signal quality and care, which can increase buyer confidence and support higher resale prices. For Loves Park homeowners, the combination of improved aesthetics, energy efficiency, and security often results in a strong return when it's time to sell. Professional installation makes the difference. Proper installation is essential to achieving the full benefits of new doors. Professional installers ensure accurate fitting, secure frames, and proper sealing. In Loves Park homes, expert installation maximizes performance, durability, and long-term value, ensuring the investment delivers lasting results. A smart upgrade for Loves Park homes. Door installation offers a powerful combination of beauty, comfort, and value. For Loves Park homeowners seeking an upgrade that delivers high returns, new doors provide an effective solution that enhances daily living while increasing property appeal and long-term value.